Hello, welcome to Study on Go. Some day ago, I posted a post on my Instagram page and Facebook page also. This is the question: find the answer root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 dash 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 infinity. So, this is a very tricky question. If you if you want to try to solve this question, then pause the video in next 10 seconds. So let's try to solve it. This type question let x equals to this term, okay? Then we do square in both sides. So we get x square equals to whole square of root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 dash infinity. In the then we get x square equals to 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 dash infinity. Okay? In this equation, we see a term root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 that is infinity equals to root 12 plus root 12 that is infinity. So these are equal. So root 12 plus root 12 that is infinity must be equals to x. So this x value put in our this equation. So we finally get the equation x square equals to 12 plus x. This is a quadratic equation. Let's arrange this equation. So we get x square minus 12 minus x equals to 0. So factor of this equation will be x minus 4 and x plus 3 equals to 0. So answer of this question will be x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 3. So answer of this question will be x equals to 4. So why answer is x equals to 4, not a x equals to minus 3? Because the sum of positive number never will be negative. So negative answer will be wrong answer. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting questions, puzzles and math problems.